Hello, welcome to another episode of how to access your teacher's portal in Kralis.app. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to add module, lesson and unit in an already created course. As you can see in our screen, we have 3 courses already created, so I'm going to be focusing on the part of speech course, which was one we created in the previous video if you watched it. So now I'm going to be adding modules and units and lessons. So we click on the manage button and then we scroll down to the module drop down menu. When you click on it, it says add module because there's no module on it. So we're going to click on add module and then we're going to give the module a title and a description. So the title there is definition of part of speech, which I gave to it. Now the title depends on the course you're writing about. So the course depends the title depends on the course. So you have the description too, and then you write on the description. The description can be long or short depending on how you want it to be. And then you have the header image and the URL video image, which are optional. You could try to put them or not. Then you click on create button when you satisfy what you're doing. Now you've created a module. Now let's create a lesson in this module. So we're going to click on the lesson drop down menu and then we're going to click on add lesson. Now we're going to put the title and the description just like how we did for the module when we were creating it, and then you put the title as you deem fit. Yeah, I'm talking about part of speech, so yes, my title is definition of part of speech. Now you have your description too. Remember I said your description depends on the course you're writing about. It can be short or it can be long. So I'll just say part of speech. I define part of speech here where I said they are the characteristics of English based on their function, their meanings and their usage. So this is me typing. It takes a while to type. But then after your description, you could choose to add your header image. Now the header image is that image you see on the preview as we are coming into this course. So that's the header image. It's optional. You want to go with the one that is already imputed there, or you want to change it. It all depends on you. Or you want to add a video instead of an image, you could use the intro video URL, which is also optional. It all depends on you. So you could choose to do it or you could choose not to do it. But the title and the description are very important. Now when you're done with it, you click on create. Now when you're satisfied, you click on create and you've created a lesson in the module. So now we're going to be creating the unit. So we click on the unit drop down menu. You're going to click on add unit. Just like what we did in the lesson and the module, you have the title, the description, the header URL, the header image and the video image, and you have now we have the topic and the content. Now you see in this unit we added topic and content. Now before we just have title and description, but now we have topic and content. So now the topic will you add what's the topic for this unit. So I'm using noun for the topic of this unit. So I'm going to be defining noun in the content. Now the content is kind of like the body of the course you're writing about, so the body of the unit that you're writing about. So it's kind of like it's going to be a bit bigger for the students to be able to read. As you can see, I defined noun here. So when you're done with this, you click on create. So you have successfully created a unit in a lesson in a module. So now when you're satisfied with this, you click on close and close and close. So let's go and view our course and see what we created. So this is all about creating modules and lessons in your course. Now when you preview and you go down, you'll be seeing that you've already added a module, which is module 1. You have your lesson 1 and you have unit 1. You could add as much units and lessons and modules as you like for yourself. So this is just for preferences. So this is all about adding modules and lessons to your course. Thank you for watching. I hope you love the video.